Choose a rule for the arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence was, we did that a while ago. That's basically another linear equation. And I've seen different people have different success with different ways of doing it. You can set up a table, find some missing stuff, but in reality, if you simply find the slope by doing the change in y over the change in x, this comes from Algebra 1. If you can simplify that, then you at least know the slope. And by the way, it can't be that or that because those are exponentially or geometric sequences. y2 minus y1 is saying take the second y you see and subtract the first y you see. So that's a 29 minus 9. And do that in your head. And then you've got your x, your input is your 8 and your 3. So 8 minus 3. 9 minus 29 is 20. 8 minus 3 is 5. That's a grand total of 4. Which one of these has a slope of 4? Well, I'm glad you asked. It'd be that one. That is not the case. Here, also, if you felt the urge for closure here, y equals 4x plus b. You're looking for b, and we're hoping it's negative 3. Well, you can take any x and y or input and output. Your 3 is your input, your 9 is your output. So if we put a 9 in for y, you put a 3 in for x, and solve for b, that's 12. Subtract 12 from both sides. You get your negative 3 there as your b. Lastly column here. Which of the following is a rule for the nth term of this sequence? Now, they don't tell you the type of sequence here. But we can see that from 23 to 17, it's decreased by 6. And it was consistent here and consistent here. It's another arithmetic sequence. The tricky thing about some sequences, when do you know the zero term and otherwise? Well, this is the first term in the sequence. We have to go to the zero term to determine the equation. So that means I'm just going to go backwards. And if I was subtracting 6 going forward, I need to add 6 going back. So that's a 29. So my equation, t of n, is going to equal negative 6n plus 29, or 29 minus 6n. That's the answer right there. Finally, which the first incorrect step of the solution shown above? Well, that's not a step. That's the original. So if we're distributing a negative 2, some people will think, oh, that's a minus a plus. But a negative times a negative is going to give you that positive. So that one's legit. Okay, next. It appears as though we had a 3x here. Now we don't. We subtract that 3x from a negative 2x. That'll be a negative 5x. We're still good. Subtracting 18 over here. Divide by, which negative 2 minus 18 is negative 20. Negative 5, negative 20. If we divide by negative 5, that's a positive 4. The answer is that each step is correct. There is no incorrect step. Good luck on finals. We'll see you later.